Okay. สวัสดีครับ I'm Adisak Kongshang from Engineering, Maintenance and Inspection Department. I'm a bit nervous today. Don't be serious, yeah? Please give me a smile. The smile is good because the smile will make up your mind. When you smile, your mind will be good. So when your mind is good, you can initiate the new things, yeah? Okay, let's go into my presentation. We look first at the big pictures of our project. FSO2 is now servicing our company as an offloading facility. The condensate products of 3 domestic fuels are continuously exported to this FSO2 for storage. And if one day the catastrophic event occur with the FSO2, like burning, drifting, or completely lost, at that time, all the productions of PTTEP would be stopped, and a replacement of the FSO2 will be needed. But the thing is, this replacement of FSO2 could be extremely long, like 1 to 2 years. Of course, nobody here wants this lengthy shutdown of the field because it affects directly our money in the pocket, yeah? So the asset team has initiated a mitigation plan for quicker recovery. The plan is to hire a temporary tanker, moor it up at the BP2 in Bangkok North, and then we reroute the condensate product of ATIT and TBS to this temporary tanker via existing pipeline here. To do this plan, the key things is how we are going to operate this plan to change the flow directions. So the asset team has requested us to look at the possibilities of operating this plan, yeah. To operating this plan, we have 2 major problems. The first thing is we need quick responses for catastrophic restorations. The second thing is the plan has not planned for ROV operation. So to solve these 2 problems, normal people would select saturation diving vessels as an answer. They can send the diver to go down at subsea to operate the plan manually. But the thing is, finding a saturation diving vessel can never be guaranteed. It could be 30 days to process and locate the vessels. This 30 days is not good enough for us. So as we are the innovation people, we think that just wait. We can actually do better than that by using the ROV to operate this plan, even though the plan has not planned for ROV operation. The benefit of using the ROV is first, it is cheaper, and the second benefit is quicker to finding an ROV vessel. The ROV vessels can be within the site within 7 days because it's more readily in the market. However, to operate this plan by ROV, we need to design and fabricate ROV smart tools. Before I go into the scope, the concept of our smart tool, we need to understand first the current system of the FSO2 and the actuator and the valve. The actuator and valve at the subsea plan right now is being operated by control unit on the top side of FSO2. And the control unit here will inject the hydraulic to actuator, and this hydraulic will make it work. When the FSO2 has gone during the emergencies, the umbilical line right here before will be gone as well. So what we do at the time, we need to use the ROV vessel, send the ROV here to go down to remove this damaged umbilical, and then we let the ROV to go down again to install our smart tool right here into the actuator, and then we feed the hydraulic directly from ROV vessel, and this hydraulic will make the actuator works as well. After we know the concepts of our tools, we start doing the detailed designs by ourselves. We look first at the pipe work of the PLEM right here, and we found that there are many configurations of the actuator and valve which is being installed long time ago. For example, one actuator is being fitted in horizontal position close to the other one, which is upside down. One actuator is fitted at 45 degrees at the PLEM. So these different configurations of the actuator and valve make us realize that our ROV tools must be smart enough to be used at any configurations of the PLEM. After we have done the detailed design, we start the fabrication, the implementation, and the development. Eventually, five generations of the tools were fabricated. The best one is the Mark IV. The Mark IV is the easiest tool for ROV to work with, and it's worked at any configurations of the valve and actuator. The mechanical unit or the backup device is almost the same as the Mark IV. It's work everywhere, but it's a bit more difficult for ROV to work with. After we have done everything onshore, we went to offshore for the real test. We start the test by deploying the mock-up unit at Subsea, and we conduct the test as per emergency procedure. At the test, we start first by remove the damaged hydraulic umbilical, and after that we let the ROV to install our smart tool into the actuator, and then we feed the hydraulic into actuator, and then we observe the movement of the valve. The videos of the test is available here. Let's have a look together. Alright, as you can see in the video, our smart tool has worked beautifully, yeah? And the tests have been done with 100% success. On the achievement timelines of this project, we start doing things in December last year, and we have done everything in May this year. It just has been 6 months to conduct everything, and also we have done everything by 100% in-house. So following by the success of this project, we can confirm that our smart tool will work beautifully at the emergency situation, and the asset can now rely on this success of the project and continue the overall mitigation plan. On the benefit to our company, the ROV tools is now ready to be used, and it is ready in Songkhla for emergency situations. The second benefit is the possible speed of catastrophic restoration. We can prevent our company being loss of the benefit by $13 million per day if we can solve the problem quicker. And the last benefit is the cost saving. We could save about $4 to $5 million if we use the ROV vessel instead of using saturation diving vessel. And in conclusion, we think that innovation is not the tools, but innovation is the process of thinking, the process that could make us go out of the box. And like what we have done in this project, we are trying a lot to make the impossible things become possible. So I hope you guys are doing right like this as well. Yeah. Just before I finish my presentation, I would like to say thank you to our team member, especially Kun Clark and Kun Bo here from the asset team, and our team from EMI Subsea. I forget one guy right here, my friend. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention.